Hey guys, welcome back to another pattern review. Today's pattern review is on the Devon Pouch by SOTAK. So we have both the small size and the large size. This is the non-boxed version. I just prefer non-boxed corners on these guys as opposed to boxed corners. So the pattern, super easy to read. This was actually one of the first patterns I ever purchased on my bag making journey, and it's definitely beginner friendly. It's domestic machine friendly. I actually made these on my industrial, which is behind me, but I have also made plenty on my domestic sewing machine as well. You pretty much cut out 2 squares, and then she has you cut the pattern pieces from those 2 squares. Super easy to follow. When you cut them out, it does leave a little bit of excess, but once you make the pattern a few times, you know what measurements to cut to. So again, super easy. So the first one we're going to talk about from the pattern is the small Devon pouch. I find this is a perfect coin-sized wallet. I like it because it has an extra zip in the front here, which I keep my card that I access all the time. So yes, it does fit a card in the front pocket. So I've got in here my Spotlight VIP card, but I would normally keep my key card for everyday use in there so I can easily find it. And then the top as well, when you open it up, it's quite a good size in there. You can fit notes folded up. We're in Australia, I can't fit an Australian note in there flat. It is too small, but this thing holds a decent amount of change. I have had it quite full. I've also had it hold my car keys and a lip balm, but you can't get much in here, mainly just a coin purse. And the other part of the pattern is the large Devon pouch, which is this guy here. So in the pattern, it does recommend you to box the corners. I quite like it this way, especially when you pair it with a wristlet strap. It's quite a nice little bag to hold on to when you're traveling around. As you can see, it's quite a good size. Inside the larger Devon, you can actually fit the smaller Devon inside it. If this Devon was quite full with, lots of cards and cash, you're not going to fit much else in the actual Devon wallet itself. But I'm going to go through with you what you can actually fit in there. So let's take a sneak peek at what I've got inside this Devon pouch. So first up, I have my car keys, which everybody needs. I have a reusable bag. In Australia, I'm going to presume most countries now around the world don't give out plastic bags when you do your shopping, so it's always good to carry one with you. Otherwise, they do charge you, and it does add up after a while. So a good size reusable bag. Also good when I go fabric shopping, can store all the good fabrics in it. Again, the mini Devon, but if you had a lot of stuff in there, you would not be able to fit all this in there. And my iPhone. So a decent amount of stuff in there for day-to-day use. The slot at the front, I would probably use that more with my cards. I probably wouldn't use like a coin purse in this kind of thing. I would use that front slot for my key cards, credit cards, ID, and change, and use the back pocket, which is this guy here, which is quite roomy, to store everything else in there. If I'm not putting the Devon pouch in there, I can also fit my sunglasses in there. So, sunglasses, iPhone. What else do we have here? Grocery bag. Oh, she's in there. Car keys. So for me, that would be the essentials if I was to take this out to go down to the shops. So, love this pattern. Super easy, super cute. So cutting the Devon pouch out, sometimes I will use my Cricut machine and draw out the pattern pieces, and sometimes I'll just cut it with my rotary cutter and my ruler. It's really up to you. Both ways are super easy. Again, super easy. Hardware wise for this, all you really need is 2 zippers. I chose to do a wristlet strap, so then obviously you'll need a swivel clasp and a rivet. But that took next to no time to do, and a very popular bag at markets and that kind of thing as well. So overall, this is a fantastic pattern. The 2 sizes gives you great value for money, especially if you're starting out and you want something versatile that you can make both a coin wallet and a small clutch out of to get you started on your bag making journey. Like always, I'll leave the pattern link below, and comment and let me know what you think of this pattern, and if you've made it before, what modifications you've made to it. Alright guys, thank you. Bye!